Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your region on Roblox. If you've ever wanted to switch up your location for gameplay or to access specific features, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Roblox app on your Android device. You'll need to be logged into your account, so make sure you've done that first. Once you're in the app, look for the three dots located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tapping these dots will open up a menu that gives you access to various settings. Next, select Settings from the menu. This is where you'll find options to customize your account. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Account Info. This section contains all the essential details related to your account that you can manage. Now, scroll down until you find the Account Location section. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to see your current region settings. To make a change, simply type in the new location you wish to set. Once you've entered your desired region, don't forget to tap Set Location. This saves your changes, and your Roblox experience will now be tailored to your selected region. And that's it. You've successfully changed your region on Roblox. Enjoy your gaming experience in your new location, and don't forget to check out all the different games available to you. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.